while many of its buyers may elect to be driven while they luxuriate or close deals in the rear seat. The 2024 Bentley Flying Spur is a luxury sedan that's rewarding to drive as well. When the day calls for it, the Flying Spur can carve up curvy stretches of road with aplomb without compromising its serene cruising attitude. Most models are powered by twin-turbo V8 or twin-turbo W12 gas engines, but a plug-in hybrid V6 is also offered, and that powertrain delivered 35 miles of electric-only driving in our testing. All models are dressed to impress, with cabins layered in leather, wood, and metal. Amenities are plentiful too, including optional massaging rear bucket seats. All of this extravagance comes at an equally extravagant price though, placing the Flying Spur out of reach for all but the wealthiest buyers. If you're lucky enough to be in that tax bracket, however, the Flying Spur's blend of athleticism, comfort, and curb appeal can't be beaten. Bentley quietly added a new trim to slot below the Azure in the lineup this year. The new A trim shares some of that model's styling elements, including the waterfall grille. The Flying Spur's S and Speed models receive an updated mesh grille design for 2024, and all models receive plusher floor mats made from wool and updated carpeting made from recycled nylon. Sumptuous leather, genuine wood trim, and real metal accents line the Flying Spur's interior. In the front or back, there's plenty of space for adults to stretch out and enjoy the luxurious environs. Bentley's interior designers managed to preserve the brand's prim and proper styling while incorporating modern tech features. A remote touchscreen controller mounted to the rear of the center console allows rear seat riders to adjust certain things without asking the driver for assistance. For instance, you can use it to open and close the window shades, adjust the cabin climate, and activate the rear seat massagers. A generously sized trunk offers plenty of space for luggage, cases of champagne, or a day's worth of impulse shopping on Rodeo Drive.